Hi friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. In today's tutorial, we'll learn to make these pretty earrings. The name of the earrings is Sajani earrings and we're gonna learn it in a very simple way. So do watch this tutorial till the end because I have shared a trick here using which you can make these earrings in a very limited time. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So the material required is fabric. So I'm taking this sky blue fabric which has like kind of golden shine detailing, like you can see it is shining. So I'm taking this plain fabric. You can take any other color also. Then base, then pearl laurels, kundan. So I'm taking this tilak kundans, and we also need this round kundan. So I'm taking this golden color kundans, but you can take any other color kundans that are available in the market also. Then ganthan mala, jump ring, then these are charms, then one 5 mm pearl bead, and then earring stud. Then we need this eye pins, then Fevibond glue, then cutter scissor plier. So first of all we'll cut this base in circle and half circle like this. So we have cutted this and now we are going to stick this with the fabric. So I'm taking this half circle and we are going to apply this fabric. So I'll already cut a small part of the fabric and then I'm going to apply this over here. So I'm going to take Fevibond glue and we'll apply a fabric to this area and this area and we'll stick that properly. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I've added this fabric and you can see this is how it looks. Now we are going to add these pearl gold laurels to this. So I'm taking this pearl laurels and I'm taking this silk thread to tie this pearl laurels. So I'm taking this
subscribe
thread
to my channel
to any end
and make sure to like, share and comment to this video.
I'll make a knot over here. So I have made a knot and now I'm going to add these pearls enough to cover this whole part. So I'll first add these laurels and then we'll let you know in the end. So guys, you can see I have added these pearls and these are approx 200 pearls that I have added. Now to this end I am again going to make a knot. So I'll make a knot first here. Now I'll go back side and after some beads again I'm going to make a knot. So this is my method of securing these pearls. So I have added this and you can see we have secured the pearls, and now again to the back side I'm going to make a knot. to secure this thread. So I have done this and I'll cut this part. And now we are going to apply kundans over here to this end inside our area. So I'm taking this kundans and I'm taking this fabricon glue. So we'll apply glue first here inside of these pearls. Now I'm going to stick these kundans. So I'll take this angular part out, like I'll stick it in this way. So I'll quickly add them now. So guys, I have attached these ones, and now we'll flip this and we're going to add eye pins to this side. So I'll keep it like this, and then I'm taking these eye pins, apply these eye pins over here. So what we'll do is I'm just simply keeping it like this, and then we'll add some eye pins here. So I'll add one here and then 5 in the left side and then 5 in the right side. So I'm taking this glue and then I will apply a line over here. And then I'll simply keep it. In the same way guys, I'm going to add another eye pins to both the sides. So I'll quickly add them. So guys, I have added these eye pins, and these are approx 11 eye pins I have added, one in the middle and 5 in the left and 5 in the right. So now we'll wait for this to get dry, and then we'll do the further work for this. Till the time I'm keeping this aside. And now I'm taking this main base. So I have also made this with the same technique, like first we took that circle and then I applied this glue over to this. So now I'm going to make a small flower of this kundans to this. So again I'm taking this glue, I'm taking this fabricon glue, and then we'll apply a little glue to mid side, and then I'm taking this and I made a flower, and now I'm flipping this and I'm taking this back side first, and then we're going to add this earring stud to this. So again I'll apply a glue to this stud, and then we'll apply this in approx middle of this flower. Now we'll wait for this to get dry, and then we'll start with the further work. So guys, these eye pins and this earring stud has dried up little. So we are going to add a back finishing fabric to this. So again I'm taking this fabricon glue and we'll apply a glue to this. And now I'm going to apply this fabric to this. So first I'll cut the number of fabric required, and then I'll place it firmly, and now we'll keep this aside to get this dry. So in the same way I'm going to attach the fabric to this also. So I'll quickly add it. So guys, this has dried up, and now I'll quickly cut this one first, and then we'll start with the further work. So guys, I have cutted this part, and now we are going to apply this gantan mala to this. So like we are not going to apply a similar gantan mala in this, but the middle one will be longer. So this one has like you can see 8 beads. So first I'll cut this middle ones, open this middle ones eye pin, and then we'll insert this gantan mala. And again I'll close this properly. Now to the next I'm going to add gantan mala with
I have made lots of
7 beads
videos
in this.
on
So in the
fabric
first one
jewelry
has 8
where
beads.
I have made
So
various
now we
designs
have 7
in a
beads.
very simple
So
way,
again I'm
which
taking
looks
this.
very beautiful and stunning, and also you can make them with minimal material and time. So do watch these
7
videos.
beads, and then we'll apply it here, and then I will close this. So in the same way I'm going to add the gantan mala to all of them, so I'll quickly add them. So guys, I have added this L'Oreal's gantan mala here. Now we are going to add a little bit fabric glue to this first, because we have to secure it properly. So to this ends I'm going to apply glue. So we have added the glue. Now we are going to add the charms to this end of this gantan mala. So for that I am taking this jump ring, and I am taking these charms, and now I will take one charm and then open this charm, and then add this one, and now with the help of plier I'm going to close this. So you can see I have added this to one. So in the same way I'm going to add to all the gantan mala, so I'll add them. So guys, I have attached these charms to this gantan mala, and you can see this is how pretty they are looking. Now our this stud is also ready, so we are going to simply attach them. For that, so for the same I'm taking this eye pin, and before that we are going to make a hole to both of them with this safety pin. So I'll make a hole to this part and this part. Now with the help of plier I'm going to open this eye pin, and then we'll add this eye pin in this. So I have attached this eye pin. Now I am taking this pearl. So as I have taken pearl L'Oreal's, I am taking this 5 mm pearl beads, and I'll insert this bead in this. And now I am going to cut this extra part over here first, and again I'll mold this part now. Then we'll mold from here. So I have made this hook part.
and I'm going to insert this in this. So we have already made a hole over here, so we are going to simply insert that in this. And now we are going to again tie this. So yeah, that's it guys. With this, so this beautiful earrings is ready, and that's another earring. So tada! And that's it guys, this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below guys. I love it when you interact with me, and I definitely hear you out. So any request, any suggestion that you have for me, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you did like this video, leave it a like, because that really helps us to reach out to more people. I'm trying to grow up my family here. And if you don't follow me on Insta, then check out my Insta handle. I'll give its link in the description below. Check that content. If you like that, do follow me there as well. I do post various jewelry designs there. And lastly guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. I'll meet you in the another grand new video in grand new design. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.